Crucible furnaces are mostly used for melting non-ferrous metals and alloys. Non-ferrous metals are those metals or alloys that do not contain iron. The crucible furnaces are of four types. The first one is pit furnaces. In pit furnaces, the instrument contains lead covered steel container lined with refractory material packed with coke around crucible. The above pipe is for chimney and the lower pipe is for air blowers. The crucible is placed in a pit below the floor level. It consists of steel container lined with refractory material and then packed with coke. A crucible is a container, metal container or ceramic material in which metal or other substances may be melted or subjected to a very high temperature. Charged metal to be melted is placed in a crucible. In a single pit, we can put a large number of crucibles. After the metal is melted, the cover are removed and the crucible are lifted out with the help of tongs. Why metals can be melted in a crucible furnaces? It can be used for the melting of various precious metals like silver, gold, brass, aluminum, and it can also be used for non-ferrous melting applications. Non-ferrous metal is easy to fabricate